Welcome back to Crypto Horizon, your go-to channel for all things crypto. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of Bitget, one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges. Plus, we'll show you how to maximize your benefits using the referral code 4H6KA. Let's get started. Bitget is a comprehensive platform that offers a range of trading options, from spot trading to futures. Whether you're a newbie or an experienced trader, Bitget has features to cater to all levels. But first, let's talk about how to get started. To create an account on Bitget, visit their official website. Click on Sign Up and fill out your email address, set a strong password, and enter the referral code 4H6KA. This code can unlock some special benefits for you. After submitting your details, you'll receive a verification email. Just click the link in that email to verify your account, and you're good to go. Bitget offers a variety of bonuses depending on your deposit and trading activity. For example, by completing specific tasks like KYC verification and making your first deposit, you can earn up to $4,163 in welcome bonuses. These bonuses can come in the form of coupons for trading fee discounts or trial funds for futures trading. Remember, these bonuses have specific conditions and timelines, so make sure to follow the instructions closely. MEXC provides a wide range of trading options. You can engage in spot trading, where you buy and sell cryptocurrencies at current market prices. For those looking to leverage market movements, Bitget also offers futures trading with up to 200x leverage. Additionally, you can participate in staking and yield farming to earn rewards on your crypto holdings. The Bitget platform is highly user-friendly, with a clean and intuitive interface. They also offer a mobile app for both iOS and Android, so you can manage your trades on the go. One of the highlights of Bitget is its extensive list of supported cryptocurrencies. With over 200 coins and various trading pairs, you'll find major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana, as well as a vast array of altcoins. This diversity allows you to diversify your portfolio and explore new investment opportunities. Now, let's talk about fees. Bitget offers competitive trading fees, with spot trading fees set at 0.1% for both maker and taker. If you hold Bitget's native token, BGB, you can get significant discounts. For example, paying with BGB can reduce your spot trading fees by 20% and can also be used as collateral for margin trading to get a 15% fee discount. This can help you save a lot, especially if you trade in large volumes. Security is a top priority at Bitget. They use bank-level multi-signature cold storage to protect user funds, along with two-factor authentication, 2FA, and IP monitoring to safeguard your account. Bitget also has a proof of reserve system to ensure that all user assets are held securely on the exchange. Additionally, they have a $422 million protection fund to cover any potential losses due to security breaches. Bitget offers robust customer support through various channels, including live chat, email, and a detailed help center. They aim to respond to inquiries within a few days, ensuring that traders can get the help they need promptly. To sum it up, here are some pros and cons of using Bitget. Pros: extensive range of supported cryptocurrencies, competitive trading fees with additional discounts for BGB holders, advanced trading features like futures and leverage strong security measures. Cons: customer support response times could be improved. Some bonuses require high trading volumes to unlock. Bitget offers a robust trading platform suitable for both beginners and seasoned traders. With a wide range of cryptocurrencies, competitive fees, and strong security measures, it's definitely worth considering. Don't forget to use the referral code 4H6KA when you sign up to unlock special benefits. So what are you waiting for? Sign up on Bitget today using the referral code 4H6KA and start your crypto trading journey with a boost. Happy trading, and don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.